We often celebrate special days in our assemblies, Remembrance Sunday, the rights of a child to name but a few.
Today is another special day. I wonder if you can guess what it is.
Let's listen to this story.
I was 13 years old when I first heard about the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, and I wanted to know more. I learned that children had rights to education, health care, clean water, and so many other things that help you grow up to become the best person you can be. I believe that all children should know and understand the rights in the convention, and ever since I learned about them, I have tried to make sure that other children know about them too. It was article number 12 that really excited me. There were so many things that my friends and other young people in my country, Mexico, and our other bothered about. Up to now, I felt I couldn't do anything about them. But once I understood article number 12, which says you have the right to give your opinion and for adults to just listen and take it seriously, I began talking to adults about not just my concerns, but those of lots of other young people, and they began to join in with me.
Soon adults began to listen to us, and much to everybody's amazement, important people began to ask our opinions on matters that concerned us. The Mexican government asked us our views about family life, schools, our communities, and what we thought of the country. To find out the opinions of lots of children, it was decided that Mexican children should vote for the opinions that mattered most to them. The first children's consultation of Mexican children was held in Mexico City. More than 4 million Mexican children submitted their opinions. This was the first time that politicians actually wanted to know what children thought in Mexico. I am often interviewed for television, radio, and newspapers and magazines, and this is what I always say. Adults really need to listen to young people of all ages, shapes, sizes, and colours. We all have different opinions that are relevant to who we are and what we want out of life.
The fact that I have cerebral palsy and have to use a wheelchair doesn't make any difference to my needs or my rights. They are the same for every child. My disability is not an obstacle to me. It is a part of who I am. I think in a strange way that it actually inspires others. They see that I don't consider a problem, and they realize that they can also reach their goals. There are thousands of children in Mexico who are exercising their right to give an opinion and using that opinion to bring about change. I am just one of them.
What was that story about? What do you think today's special day is?
What does this picture have to do with today's story? why do you think there's a special day for disabled people?
The day is to remind everyone that everyone has all the rights in the Convention on the Rights of the Child and the UN Declaration on Human Rights. In addition, disabled people have a right to special care that will enable them to live as full a life as possible.
Article 23. Children have any kind of disability should have special care and support so that they can lead full and independent lives. Article 24. All children and young people have the right to the best health care possible, safe water to drink, nutritious food, a clean and safe environment, and information to help them stay alive, healthy and safe.
A poem. Shaking limbs, no control children staring, often pointing parents looking away, watching the game. No one asks me. You talk to John, but never to me. I like to play, please ask me. I like to cheer, don't stare at me. Inside, I am like you. Remember, I have feelings too. Selma Ibrahim, age 13.
Thank you very much for East X5 Pathway 2. We all missed you so much. Ding dong in the morning. Ding ding. Vicky Miller.